Yeah, abafasi bethu. Mina I believe umfazi wami sekugrade 2. Mina I believe.
Yeah, tanga fucked up tanga manje tanga.
Atangizo mamanje.
Ze fucked up tanga.
Phela bandile ku area esikhothana. Bangena kuma storm.
Yeah.
Hip hop.
Piano. Slay queen.
Mapipa enga. Yo, please. Tanga semtshela lo muntu ukuthi uThops umkhulisile. Tanga uThops tanga uzowakhula waba nentshebe uThops undlula kibo gida khona.
Oh, so khulumela. Ya lapho ya.
Khulisile le tanga.
Tanga brain cancer inja. Mina ngobodlala kanje brain cancer asjo.
Shoot yahlanya umuthi brain cancer.
Mara lokhu mhlambe seyindala understand.
Indala phela.
Yeah. Tengibonayo da seyindala manje nilangapha
Your side.
Yeah.
The one that likes you.
Oh.
Hey, what's wrong?
Uhlala la income. Numa Marcus is part of the noise. So it's a different section.
Still mfana.
I like a state I. Kuruma kakhulu abafazi bala.
Ndata.
Vele labala vele la wake nayo vele lamuwoka. Muwoka estradini lo mbonayo. Just know ukuthi she part of the crew.
Indidlala.
Lo njalo hlezi umbona.
Hlala wena ungambulisi.
Yabona.
Hlala wena ungambulisi mfana. Yokuthi utangena endlini mfana uyoba ngendaba.
Yeah.
So
my imagine tapping one of them, yabona, the noise just becomes.
Number one, dude, like why?
I would prefer maybe Oangali Mateti than lie around in.
I lie around in the car.
Why is that a big deal then? Why is that a big deal?
Smashing in there when
yeah. So they're gonna talk about some cheeks you slapped, come on, bro.
It's better cutting if it been sakula, man. If it been sakula, yeah. Maramanji,
And what? Is it a violation or something?
It's not a violation, but the noise that comes with
Street violation.
Yeah, cash.
The noise that comes with it.
Cash.
So what are they complaining about? Are they complaining?
No, yeah, it's in every hood. I'm sure not out Shalako.
Yeah.
There's like gossip, enviness, in concoction. There's that crew. There's the men's crew, the female's crew. Yeah, the Godfather. Oh man. Yeah.
That good gossip is always there, bro.
Again, mina before my older maken, which is breaking lab because how fucked up is that? Like
yes.
Eyes, dog. They watching.
Young son. Yabona ama assumptions over the now njobula eMpumalanga khona ngi satellite dish. Yeah, ayibeki kabuhlungu.
Why can't you?
Jo like any mentality ebuhlungu
Ngathi abathandi mophumelela.
Yeah.
Something.
And am I lento le when you're not even part of the cause. Tell me babazali bakho. It passed on, the hate passed on.
They want to know if you're winning or not.
Yeah. Tangir iris that up.
So if you're winning there.
Joe, hook up, gossip, Kona na machita wake nayo vile kasi tangu taide.
I'm out here on some.
Nyozi nibing na 50. I'm sorry. Still does the same shit. There's that one particular block to block. Para njenga se peace. Peace munga kine kona la machita.
So people hoping you don't win.
Yeah. It's always like that.
Hoping you don't win. You feel it.
More win we abashi. Abashi. But are they stagnant, boy? Yeah, well.
So bafuna ukuthi bashi.
That's what I believe in.
Are they afraid of like being alone?
Nope. Abafuthanda ukusebenza.
Or don't you think ukudlala ekhaya da?
Yeah.
Nah, nokuhlala ekhaya da.
The environment
Yeah,
is a
yeah,
whole.
phakathi.
Angitholi.
Phakathi upline yo.
The environment as a whole lokwayo.
Badizi kokugcina vele. Yeah. Zakulevelela. Awusa understand ukuthi kumele wenzeni.
Machita conspire against you and lapho okay next.
Mfethu.
Sometimes
you
you-
seeing them little booties, right?
Yeah. What's it?
You see, dog, why is it? Hey, so everybody's quiet up.
Yeah.
Like these niggas, man, don't you see?
Yeah, tanga abafast bethu tanga.
These niggas.
Mina I believe umfazi wami sekugrade 2.
They each have a first beat.
Mina I believe.
Yeah,
umfazi
tanga
wami
intanga
sekugrade
zethu
2.
tanga zifucking up tanga manje tanga.
Tanga these hoes bamanje.
Zifucked up tanga.
Phela banjile ku area esikhothane.
Oh, ndoda.
Bangena kuma
Lapho ke yala.
Storm,
Yeah.
hip hop.
Piano. Slay queen.
Mapipa enga.
Yo, ndoda.
Yo, hey.
These hoes, man, you know
Yo.
what this is. God.
Wena uyindoda
Manje
idlala
kunabo-bottle games.
uyakena ligama 3.
Abaphethe
Awukazi
amabhodlela.
wayi. Awukazi wayenza, awukazi mara khona bamiyenza i3. Oh, abuthele bamayitanga. Nale ngoma ezamanje. Azabafaka phela shit. Into kaTobi.
Yeah, hayi bafaka up upline.
Fuck up.
Fuck up upline.
And fatherless homes.
Okay, that's something I end.
I believe, I hope it ends. It won't, but at least the ngoba la eMzansi ngathi sawashiya yini.
Yeah, playing.
Yo. Hayi la eMzansi.
Economy is.
Hayi phela thina we are there.
It's rough.
Sila.
Kula macraft la ya we there. Mara fit. Ngabuthela manje ntwana. Bona ba right bamnandi. Bahle futhi.
Huh? I
But
killed him.
but inkinga abathandi.
Yeah, too much.
Tangina tang.
Better raise my ass.
Umnika imali akazi wenzani ngayo. Ndoda sobiza abangani bakhe. Akana like
That's my kid, dog.
akana like umjita ne like mara nginamali. Aka complain to up until kuba ne emergency nyana something. Yo eshikhalelizo.
Yeah.
Nah, obvious. Marukelt is at remote okay. For the last week go to Gumkaita. Last week go to Gumkaita. Nini nisekakhalela amawisi ngitshela amawisi. Tasicike chicken. Ngiyakubona amathumbu nje papa nekabishi. Ngiyabona amathumbu ngcono nje papa nekabishi. Yeah, cash uzabambisa mfu. Ngaka pink dog. Uzabambisa uzabona na. Uyabona ku plan loss.
SM.
Mara sometimes bayabona mara abayinaki kumele ayenze iplan indoda
Hey, yo, Sam. So,
what up
Please let go.
Jimmy
Chichi.
so vele la emhlabeni living
dog, are you committed, my nigga, dog?
To women.
To a woman, yeah, are you committed right now?
not yet.
Why not, dog? When are you going to
I
commit?
can't say no. I'm putting shame in that.
When are you going to commit, dog?
Maybe tomorrow
Yeah, fair.
or maybe next month. Yeah, what's one? I'm telling them. Right now, right now,
Then why you
Nah, excess
why you
in
clapping
yash, but-
cheeks, dog? If you ain't trying to commit,
too much testosterone, man. Too much testosterone kills a man.
yo, Debs, a dog.
Itrati can only go
Are you
so
committed,
far.
my nigga?
currently
Yeah. Why not, dog?
I've been killed, dog.
Yeah.
Been killed and then so far it's actually a break.
Yeah. You don't, so the problem is you, it's not the girls, no?
Obvious, dog.
I feel.
Winking always. We problem.
vele mara kahle sivele ta amantombazane inkinga
Yeah.
lawa
When you commitment, you bona kanjani, dog?
tanga mina
Commitment.
mina tanga commitment ntombazane
Is it a good idea?
yeah for a minute to could have bro lo muntu lo jofana njenge alcohol ngakujikela manje siswini yang understand jikela siswini njengotshwala mfethu yang understand and manje umuntu onjalo bro akakusat and no good like ngikhulumela into engicabangayo
Yeah.
blacklist bro photo serial
Ish, mfana. Yo,
yang
we're gonna go
understand
there.
ngeke kuba confirm application labantu labo mangabe uzothola
Hey.
ukuthi ayekusiya nginkasalala mina
Ngingamachita nathi sima-psychopath.
yeah obvious
Kanjani,
yeah,
dog?
obvious.
Like tanga yabona uTebs ufresh kanjani uyasho ukuthi hayi yazi awuthe grand makani kanti makani media izama ezinye izinto ushaka amafist namkeca
Wena
Yabo.
umzami ta. Uzohamba.
obvious uzobona
nalivika
bro.
tam
uzoboshwa bro wami and thina sokuphelela sokushayela i-round team sikhaye ma 15k sidaya jozi mbamba nal 50k ncenga kule month le
Again, dog, the crazy thing, ne? The crazy thing, ne? It's the fact that these girls are like, niggas these days are fucked up. But seeing as the chance, we're singing the same thing. We're like, these girls are fucked up. Everybody says everybody else is fucked up.
But
dog.
then don't you think we're the same?
And they were all searching for like this perfect partner, dog, you know? Yeah, that girl with 0 bodies, yeah, right?
Perfect partner AI. Date an AI chick. Good to go, bro.
That perfect girl in Timana, dog, with 0 bodies.
I'm not sure noma ungaba neshwap antwana at least ube muhle
Yeah.
you know
Number plate.
noma ungaba
You're gonna commit to a
neshwapa.
virgin, dog.
Yeah tang
That's what
Where are you gonna, is it up, dog?
makhaya bro wami makhaya KZN bro
Yeah.
Ngizona lapho
ngaya khona so umntana na 14 marushanga ngibhodi yo 14 marushanga ngibhodi
tanga that's
Some famous.
Yo, there's a pedophile.
that's what I was telling about like machita ngwana grand takanti my brother sange fetisha abantwana abanye apere moving along
mara tanga bakhona abantu abanjalo bro wami bakhona bro banengi bro wami banengi bro umntana vele ayijayele bro wami
Roxa say VV.
Bro, what phone? What's your phone, dog? What's your phone called? What's the name of your phone?
Samsung, bro. S10.
Right. Dog, I was looking for the right phrase. I can't.
yeah
I'm trying to like, I wanna set my words straight, man. Shit. I feel.
Oh, we talk. I'm telling you, kumele si retire this year. Nalokhetile mushilo. The truth is about to come out this year.
but
Yo.
mina ngasho don't retire don't play with your chances so if irah ulavela ngeke sadla sakatha ufuna ukudiva isandla siyi-1 cabanga ngathi ushaya ama-steroid and siyazi ukuthi awudlala i-PlayStation 6 yeah shwabe
But you niggas, you don't think with like the fact that we recording this shit, we out here smoking weed, man. Shit's gonna like paint like the wrong picture about us. Man.
yeah it is
It's gonna paint the wrong picture about us.
Wrong
Man.
picture about
a wrong picture but see then again we smoke
I wanna know.
Dibs.
I wanna talk. Be my wife. Now I'm first one. My wife.
come on now sir.
Yeah.
Show something. Yeah, but then I can't get exposed to anything.
Yeah.
Unless maybe we get my clips.
Yeah.
Hola.
Come on, Fana. Damn.
Chapukate.
Yeah, nigga.
Yakena tang.
Azin.
Standard.
Ngasmile kancane.
Man, where this camera at, bro?
Singa ma Uzi ke tang.
Oh, I faded.
Imagine,
Yeah.
Singa la ma.
Man in the bank, bro. What the fuck?
man in the bank already.
Dog, where's the car at, dog?
Right,
What happened to the car, bro?
Let's go. Which car, dog?
You didn't have a car, dog. The car that you were driving.
Let's go. Eish.
What's
Lies after lies after lies.
Lies after lies, bro. Right.
Lelanga lisha kamnandi la juwas. Kamnandi.
Man, this
So,
grass low key.
have you realized that like all the living things in on earth
Nobody like placed it.
as one?
Yeah,
It's by
so
itself.
there are days la singasona khona, there are days la ngasona khona. Same as us humans, dog. Singasuka manje njengoba sinje.
And it's this
Sukeni
region
manje
that
sihambe
we-
sivuma
If
Joes.
you go like
Ngithola
Mm.
sivuma Joes sifika boma Joes
you must
indoda.
be rich in some
Mhlambe siwayindile or mhlambe sofuna ispan. Basiqashe sonke kanje
shit.
kusalemi.
Rich or some shit.
Gazi lakho bro.
And the veil,
Gazi lakho,
and the
bro.
veil. Like all the
lakho.
living things on earth as
Gazi
one.
lakho ta. Ninokuba
Abantu,
kanjalo.
ilwane, ihlahla, nama aliens.
Ngibhekile ama alien akhona.
Ma aliens.
Ngibhekile ama alien akhona.
Yeah, but it is khona.
I don't know, dog.
Ingamla bro.
Damn.
Nah, ingamla bro wami. Nas, my aliens dog. My white dog, nas. Let's
That's a racist shit.
Nah, it's not racist dog. Don't look at the eyes, the green tongue and shit tongue. Yo, like shit tongue. Leze tongue faka. Tongue uthola amazinyo wazo tongue understand tongue ukuthi kwenzakalani nje. Uthebheka uthe khona baby bro. You understand?
Yeah, ama aliens.
Lezi ama aliens.
Abelungu vele.
Hayi.
Mesmerized.
Endoda kuyabantu uthola iyo endoda kuyabantu uthola ipink baba kuyashisa ipink awu
Hayi,
understand
not
not
for me,
bayikecile
not for me.
indlebe ndoda zipompekile zingawu yabo ukuthi this one no this one not the good one this one
It's not for me.
hayi man wenzani manje uyinginika lona
Nah, you weren't gonna get it, dog.
Say no Diddy after that.
No TV.
Yeah.
Say no Diddy, dog.
For me.
And then it's gonna be eating your nigga alone. So I'm like, say no Diddy. Say no Diddy.
I know take it, dog. You better know that.
abachithe stay bambili ngoba bonike kale ndawo lento yenzile that was fucked up.
Hey, lento ishilo. I never did anything, dog. You ever did? Ngisho ngikunika lona.
No Diddy. Say no Diddy. No, come on. Man. You can't say it. Hey, niggas. Hey, my dog. Ah, booty, dog.
Indaba idinga imali leyo booty Joe. You gotta pay.
Idinga imali?
Joe. You gotta pay.
Ding him out.
Yeah.
I mean, that's free.
Phela ngeke ugibele mahala dog. For free. For free.
Oh, but there is such a thing as too much booty, dog. Yeah.
Yeah.
The booty shouldn't be too big.
Yeah.
Dog, right?
The moms or so.
It shouldn't be too. If it's too big, it ends up being boring. Dog.
Yeah.
Honestly.
It's all eyes on
But
head.
Yeah,
the driver is satisfied, dog. Phela ezinye zithanda lo. Phela manje inkinga the
I'm
problem
not even looking
njengathi
for it anymore. It's like
we all have
too
different
much, right?
fetish. I'm a fetish. Khona lezi mazingena ku porn is searching
that-
category
that ain't,
immense.
The symmetry, dog, has to be there, dog. Symmetry. Understand? Yeah, not too much. Ends
Makabheka
up-
umntana wakho kumele
No, dog, I'm talking about this like many balance.
yeah.
Many balance. Because if it's too much booty now, it's almost like some disability or some shit.
It's wiggling dog.
Understand? The symmetry isn't there anymore.
sorry.
Ah.
And then complexion,
A complexion, dog, it doesn't matter.
doesn't matter.
You know what I think, ne? It's good, like good skin, man. As long as the skin is fresh, it's good, it's smooth. You understand? complexion doesn't matter.
what about Europol?
Etanga what if
Cheese,
umunye ne
cheese,
yazi
cheese.
amatita yamunyana love bites
Yeah.
Machita.
uzothi kumshaya ni love bites lo cherry lo abe tuto
Shit, though. It means you just ate some dirt. Damn.
yeah what would you do though?
Fuck, man.
Like yabona it's dark
Ah,
la kuyelo extremely like you vacuum that dirt
dog, I'm glad good to see we're at the age whereby the chicks that we're dating aren't putting on makeup,
Yeah.
dog. Since
Yeah.
they're young.
hey
But it means we're gonna get there at some point, dog.
Man,
Yeah.
I'm done wash makeup, I'm done fresh.
Yeah, but not since we're gonna grow up, gents. So
Don't wash makeup
yeah
we're gonna grow up, right?
fresh.
It could be silver
Man, I
slim.
prefer
Yeah.
Man,
Obviously,
prefer-
the
We all
girls
have
that
different
we'll be
types of
dating at that
fetish.
time, they'll
Yeah,
be grown.
and I prefer onwash makeup.
They
Asha
gonna
no
put on
shaya
makeup.
wona ngithola
They
siphumile.
gonna. Like
Cha
eventually.
ukuthi ayekusela.
alela
I'm gonna know with some young niggas.
yabona mungathola ucherry waseNatal tang umshade umlethe ngapha eGoli umfake emsebenzini la eGoli abangani bakhe hayi akujikela abangani bakhe bazomkhamandela kanti usibusiso uyenzani kanti thengela umtshela kuthengela iweave akashayelanga ngisho lezi zinto sakayajutheka ufaka iweave yabona muhle makafaka iweave yajutheka ufaka amazipho yazibona muhle after lapho sekakhamandekile
Ngakona fair le ngiyayi.
wangaspani trust me lapho uzoba traditional mara waspana
Yeah, ufuna zonke lezi
yeah
zinto lezi.
uyangithola
Ufuna
waspana
zonke lezi zinto lezi.
but nakhona it goes both ways ngithola example ma-oleli kahloko ngithola ma-oleli kahloko tanga she kept cool like literally yabo bekanje bashata wabathi phela not ukuthi she loved the glamorous life now real wife phela nje phekela yenza yonke into yabona ukuthi spirit manje laba ndoda
Oh, mfethu no uyabona mfethu.
ama-oleli walihambeka ashaya isitupu ndoda si
Ukhuluma makashoki intwana.
qeda ukuna imvula ndoda that woman would pull out the crib dog semani dlalani ngapha ngakutshela da big ups to her
Yeah.
yep
Hayi nakasishaya stupid. Lapho si ready nto.
she was a hard worker mama kahle she is a hard worker
Yes.
yeah
Ngizizela uyaphi.
Man, don't put that on camera, bro.
amaraveli fana mara yo singatabanga ma-oleli wayasicima lapho ku-YouTube yabona yo
Dude, bro.
mara stanga still dog vele
This one's
sayenza
gotta be for us.
sayenza
Yeah, but you can't put,
Mara
it, you can't put it on the net.
sayenza
Yeah, this one is for us, tips.
This one's for us.
aba lezi zishaye agreement bro we posting that shit like that
Bengashayi live.
live no pastor.
lapha ama-views ndoda bheka ama-comment ma-oleli wami ma-oleli kalehlo ngingatripha lapho
Oh, ngiyafeyinta at the same time.
Ngakhulelwa.
Ngiyafeyinta, dog.
oh dog
Coffee.
crazy
Don't end up in a coffee. Excuse you, niggas.
yep TB
Weed will never have a good name, though.
I'm sure zobekugcwele lapha ezigzag namhlanje
We'll
ta.
never have a
Yo.
good name.
Le beer ama 10 rand izigzag reveal.
yo
Isitoko.
yikho leyo expire lama
Expiry.
Ngisho ukuthi bakhipha
Yeah.
isitoko sokusala.
yeah beer 10 rand ngazodlala manje
I'm
hayi
gonna get fucked up here today.
oh ndoda expireile lelo tshona lo
Yeah.
nami ngayenza lokho yakhe
Why do people love groups so much, bro? If like all the dumbest decisions happen there.
ngisho they lonely yeah
Mm.
that's why they lonely most people ever see cruising by lonely so like make sense in the group getting wasted vuka kusasa ekuseni it doesn't make sense
Does it
Yebo,
fair?
It really doesn't make sense.
Eight.
I'm sorry. Next week back to normal procedure mfana kuyaphetha ntwana
Yeah.
Like nothing happened last week, Joe.
yabo
Damn.
for mina ngasho it doesn't make sense Sunday groove ngathi vele khona notaphele i-budget yakhe in-group. And like it's a significant budget.
Oh,
like,
it's so good.
1.5 K. That's a lot of money. Bro.
Yeah, but people like that shit.
Yeah.
People
like that shit.
People like hooking up.
Yeah. People love
It's
showing
like
off.
people like to be
Groove-
seen.
Groove, that's where people show off the most. Grooving. Grooving flexwa ngabantwana. Flexwa notshwala.
Impahla.
Impahla. Phela look how people get drunk, get dressed for alcohol.
Yeah,
Umuntu abe manzi.
Abanye bayenza
For
inwele.
ibhodlela ehelisi.
Yo.
Aligezela libheka. Yo. Alibambe manje. Yo. My drip Air Force. The boy from Indonesia. Sakongena. Lapho lewa manzi inteli yoba mnyama nali. Yangisola but it's lit.
Yeah, gonna
It's
say.
lit. Kumnandi dog.
Oh,
Kumnandi. Kumnandi tanga but there has to come a point la uthi hayi.
Manje
But that's the only place to flex.
Yeah, Grooving. Ah dog. Phela there's holes lapha phela. Nangu leso phela ne brown skin dog. Shaka mehla cream. Oh, triple dog. Lapho probably when the budget is it's like you that guy. 500 rand ngingamkhipha. Obviously 1 million yambeka. I should die. Thenga i-vehicle display la. Seka outside suppressor mayo uthenga iveve yabo. Sekuyilezi zinto lezo so uncomfortable.
So yazigama.
Ngoba uphethishisa
Ay.
or maybe unemali. Or nigga just looks too fly.
So when you broke, you feel like they make you uncomfortable too easily.
Yeah, ndoda.
Yeah.
Any nigga that you
Yeah.
feel like is better than you will make you feel
Yeah.
uncomfortable.
That's why ngathini more broke. That's where people are actually I think more free. Yeah. When people are broke, kakhulu. Not broke lokho significant lokho
Maybe at
kusindayo.
least 50 rand
Yeah.
nyana.
Yeah, lokhu
Yeah.
uthabela unamali. Uyangithola.
Mhlawumbe uphethe
But
itonyana yokumele-
ulala udlile,
Yeah.
uyangithola yakwazi ukuthenga isiphahlo mfethu.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Some weird smell, dog. You smell that.
Yeah, mara imali eningi.
Hayi, lezi
Iyahlangisana.
zinto
Dead man.
Uyangithola. Yeah, lapho ke ya
Dead
ihlisi.
man in there.
Lapho yakhona ke uyakhona ukuzicabanga ukuthi at least the next income ezayo yakhona ucabanga ukuthi yabo. Mayimu inkinga ihabit utshwala. Siyasi ngasho lokho. Wayenza consistent itanga.
Siyohlala kuyo
But
vele.
people like that shit, dog.
Ukuflexa. Tanga umuntu athanda ukuchoma tanga slow.
And khona abantu baphilela wona kena bro.
Tanga uslow yakwazi ukuyiva ngokuslow. Abantu bayakwazi ukuchoma. Etshwaleni futhi.
This Cortana, dog.
Uyangithola.
Phela manje ndoda
Look
ubheka
how
ubheka the
stupid that was.
trance, ubheka
Most
the
niggas
drip, ubheka the way yakwaza ngakhona.
bebakhothana isibhaya bazitibu ma 2017 2015 amagcina amajita aqala ukubhema ithaya
Yeah.
like us
Why?
vele from Skotani
You
bhema
flexing too
ithaya.
much. What's up? What causes that?
It's stupid. Ngisho uyazi fame ta. You know fame.
I wanna be known, I wanna
So
be seen.
sha i-TMT tanga yo ifave zakhala.
So
Ngithola.
they're doing that shit.
Na imali nakhona imali yaphela.
Tanga-
So it
those
depends.
days,
Yeah,
tanga
nakhona
imali
obviously
befana.
must every time we turn up there's a certain habit that's gonna build up. Get in my toilet, now I'm getting cocaine. I'm like, aye. Boom. My teeth got stuck in heroin. God. Develops. It's
Rise
bad,
and fall all
it's
the
bad. It's bad.
Rise and fall.
Straight.
Why you flexing?
Because muntu peka abo my time
Maybe that's
atanga.
why J. Cole doesn't flex.
Yeah. Atanga monga flex to save imali ephaya.
Yeah.
And you're more observant kakhulu.
Yeah.
Fika umuntu machita nihleli kanjani, let's say kufika umuntu manje nihleli kanjani machita ziwa kanjani, angithengi notshwala, hayi machita nibhekene emehlweni nje. Uyangithola nathi siyazibuza ukuthi hawu wena you got
And
probably
the
like
values,
14K
bhekene
lapho kuyo. Uyangithola I got like maybe allows 3K. Uyangithola sihlanganisele la kithi khona 20K but we just decided to meet up, smoke weed, sikhuluma. Maye kufika le yavele ngoba vele i-weekend enkulu. Machita, bafethu. Mayiplane sini. Ihleleni. Ngibeka machita ayabheka. Lapho ila wona khona into. Now sewuza like process ngokuphuza utshwala. Fine. Uyangithola. Inkampani ngithenga ama-4 wami zile base. Film ngifana nje ngawe but when you uhlangane nerafu vele. Uyangithola umoya oshisayo uyashayina. Uyakene mna ngimsonke sashayina. Uyangithola.
Ah, dog, happiness, dog.
Mara yona ayafana ukuthi-
Mina tanga yabo ukring ivana.
Happiness isn't the same.
Mina bengiprefera lokho tanga. Like endaweni ezicrowdekile mina mfana bengakhona. Bengakhona. That's why iPahama kaze ngani. I never went.
Bro, can I close my mind?
Magazi
It's even
dog.
a man.
I've never went to Bahama. The only time I went to Bahama, like I said, that was my first time.
Yeah.
Say Bahama, like, damn, sure, Bahama GRV. After that, I told myself, like, fuck, Chaupo is I want. Koele, ngata. Machita samin social. I'm like, yo, I'm Muslim savings, you know?
Yeah.
Let's deploy social. Ketipi la, man, baby man, mamela man. La pok pizza nga bona. Fuck you, right? Yeling, sayda. Yeah. Chaupo is being aside. Bingit masing pemal into yam. Bangin. Hell. Iba right. Yawa. May tanga weekend tanga. Maybe once in a while you gotta flex, just to show the world we did.
I'm still here, though.
Still that
I'm
nigga.
here. Yeah.
Yang soy. Maran change ya. Phela mo tabang ko iket sa melengkeze.
Ish, no, ta. Sa mele vumbulele la
Tabang
siplam.
afoni ko le ka mai. Begu pastet ya, should take ko iphuzo no kuiphuzo. And the bega like us to the kanje.
Ano ta khawula.
Thulekile namhlanje. Abekho nje. Bahambile.
I mean, I think first legit job, maybe 5 digits, yabo, 50K la bacho. I pray. Ukuthi uNkulunkulu abe nami le wisdom enginayo manje ngishayeki. Ngibe nayo. Ngiyaphambili.
Tot
Hambe na. Abantanga bakhabatha i-lifestyle amangakwazi yini.
Yeah, angithi le lifestyle esigovalo la endleleni.
Yangithola. Khola 50K lifestyle is 60,000. You're bound to crash. You're bound to crash. Inside ushaya indlala. Obviously ufuna ukuthenga i-RS5 njengawo ngisho. Meanwhile it mfethu when you were young you're like, oh, if I can save 12K ngithole it. We left your spot at 50K. Damn money now it's free right now. Nah, yabona.
Dog, you wanna experience shit.
Mina tang experience, but tang is still young.
Exactly, nigga, you wanna experience this shit while you were young.
But Peggy time like, how many years does that nigga live?
30 years.
A lot of years.
Yeah.
Still experiencing that much.
Yeah.
Probably you'll be the first one who's saying that one supercar. He's still alive that time he experienced it. I'm sorry, he experienced it, Begum Nanji. That's it. Pela, if one of us, let's say we say Mabanemont, dog, that is a mind-blowing experience now. Because not to say as much you think we have a fit. Yeah, so there's that a bit of morale in Parama. Yeah, boy. But there, you know people, dog. Once again, once again, and the thing we realize I say clear, that's the problem. We get in this 9 to 5 cycle. I'm sorry. I said, I'm Monday, you're about to pray doing. Go on.
Fine. Tanto chama os aí.
Tang musiba ka na. Lay valid.
Iyo.
Sibang tsebe fine. But kem na inteng ifisayo tang. Now vele mo so ithola limali. Wisdom mo na yo mai. Jobu down and out.
Ungayilahli.
Mfana. Iguki.
Ungayilahli.
Mawudlula ne-RST yakho udlule enyanya yakho yes. Sikonje sina lezi zihambisana nasi bekulo. Uyangithola. Lapho ke maybe probably asahlali nala. But he just came across with time and said, "Yeah, to that time. Oh, hey. Isn't on a Hi, time we Highland. You come from the trenches." Yeah, what? So
It's like that.
Highland is the trenches. Highland, bye.
Trench cold mafia.
Highland, it was telling you say city trenches. So was there. Muy big and he was there. True.